Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use Meta AI on Facebook. Now, Meta AI has become more intuitive and powerful with the recent updates. Here's a simple guide how to start in Meta AI. So go back to your screen first and go ahead to your browser, to your App Store or Google Play. And what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead to your Facebook and double check if you need to update your Facebook to the latest version. So first, you could just go back right here to your Facebook. I'm going to demonstrate how it's done. You're going to see it right here on the search bar at the top right. You're going to be able to see the Meta AI if you have one. So first of all, chat and messages. Initiate a chat. You can initiate a message and select create an AI chat, or type at right here. Let me type it for you. Or you could tap at Meta, all right, AI. Okay, in the group chat, followed by a query. This can help with anything from planning events to studying the test. All right, so you can feed integration while scrolling through your Facebook feed. Basically, you can use you can interact with the Meta AI directly from posts. For example, if you want to see posts about travel destination, you can ask Meta AI like ChatGPT for more information about the best time to visit. And you have the image generation and editing using the imagine feature by typing imagine followed by a description to create images. You can also right here just type imagine, right, and you can just type right here dog walking, for example, right? And you can also use the rest style and backdrop features to change the visual style of the background of your images. And you have the creative assistance of Meta AI. Meta AI can help you draft Facebook posts, create engaging content for groups, and suggest topics for community chats. This includes generating AI powered images and providing a detailed response to a variety of queries, right? And you have the real-time info and search. Access real-time information directly within the Facebook app without switching to a browser. And you have the enhanced interaction. Meta AI features a cast of AI personalities, each with a unique traits and interests, available to chat on Facebook, Messenger, and Instagram. This makes interactions more engaging and personalized. And by integrating these capabilities, Meta AI aims to enhance your experience on Facebook, making it easier to plan, learn, create, and stay connected without leaving the app. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.